According to empirical findings by the Africa-US Forum, over 60% of women in northern Nigeria lack access to digital literacy. The She Code Africa Digital Literacy Program is here to solve that problem. Today, we are here in Kubwa, Abuja, to train over 200 women in digital literacy, where they get to learn about the internet, about the computer, about the operations and systems. So my name is Oluwa, Programs Manager, She Code Africa, and I currently lead the She Code Africa Digital Literacy Program. No woman is undeserving of this training. No woman is undeserving of access to skills that can help benefit them and that can take them from position 1 to position 2. And so we made this program open to as many women as possible. We also work with partners and other NGOs based in Abuja to ensure that we are reaching the women who actually need this program.
There were some people that did not know how to control the mouse, the monitor, they did not know what the computer was all about. But so far so good. We have people knowing how to create folders, knowing how to operate the computer, knowing how to type, knowing how to create email, having knowledge on Excel, the Microsoft Word. So there has been a lot of improvement in their knowledge.
I'm happy to be a partaker of this program. As a business person, this program is for me. At least I'm going out with confidence to the world now to make my business visible, both locally and internationally now.
The She Code Africa, they are really doing a great job in terms of empowering young girls and women, in the sense that the skill they are supposed to pay for to learn, they got it for free. That is one. Secondly, now, most of this skill they learned, they have not used it before. And they have been using this app, be it your Gmail, your Google Suite, your Google Drive, and also your Facebook accounts, how to secure it. Now, they have been using Facebook, but they don't know that you have to secure your Facebook so that you don't lose the account. The same thing goes to your WhatsApp and your Gmail accounts. So now with this empowerment now, I believe majority of them, at least 99% of them, have been able to secure their accounts, to know more about the apps they have been using on a daily basis.
At the end of this program, we hope to have impacted at least 200 women and girls in skills that would help them, 1, move their business from offline to online business, to understand better how the internet works, how they can search for opportunities themselves. And of course, for younger girls, understanding how to build employability skills, understanding how to make use of collaboration and communication tools so that when they get into the workspace, easier for them to adapt. We hope that all the women and girls coming for this program are able to leave this program with as much value as possible, and they are also able to bring up another woman like themselves.
We learn a lot of things, how to use your phone without computer and all this stuff. And he helped me for my preparing of JAM, my first time, and I've learned how to work with it so that even though I'm doing it, will not be very difficult for me. I will know how to start and how to end it.
She Code Africa, I'm very happy and I really appreciate your effort to make the women more literate about computer. Thank you for coming to us. Thank you for this privilege. I'm happy.
I'm going to say that this program is a big gift, is a big blessing to the women and the ladies of this community, because from the crowd that we have here, you can see that there has been a whole lot of zeal. That people really needed this kind of program to enhance their digital literacy skill. So I'm going to say that She Code Africa is doing a great job, that this program was needed, and so far we are looking forward to collaborating with them and doing bigger things for the women and ladies of our community.
We thank She Code Africa for this platform that he has given us. We equally thank HP for their sponsorship to make this program a huge success. And I will not also forget to thank my company and my team for always making it work. I said thank you very much.
In August 2025, we kicked off the She Code Africa Digital Literacy Program in Ibadan, Oyo State. And just like we promised, we are here in Abuja and we just concluded the 2 weeks training in Kubwa. What's next for the Digital Literacy Program? We are scaling. After Abuja, the goal is to deepen our reach and impact across Nigeria. Beyond the training as well, this is just the foundational phase. We want the women to be able to build up on the knowledge, have more access to opportunities, entrepreneurship, and even more technical knowledge. Digital literacy is just the foundation and it's just an introduction to what technology can do. We hope that after this training and building upon that, these women can use technology as a tool to improve their own lives.